Hello friends, good evening. Mukese this side, and today I am here to talk about types of breads. So let's first understand what does it mean of bread. I know you all know about the bread. Bread is a staple food which makes of different type of flours. People prefer to eat bread anywhere, everywhere. They don't require to sit and eat. Bread is like easy to eat, easy to go. And bread is most eatable item in the world. There are so many types of breads. As an example, white bread, brown bread, wheat bread, whole grain bread, multigrain, you can say. Then soft roll, hard roll, then pretzels. There are types of hot dog buns, there are burger buns, and there are many more. Apart from common breads, there are some popular breads which are my favorites even. Those breads you will find in hotels, in a good restaurant. Mostly people prefer to eat those breads during lunch or dinner. Sometimes that goes individually also. People just order bread with cup of tea and coffee. So I have listed some of them which are my favorites. So let's begin. Here are the types of breads which are mostly eatable in the world. Baguette. It's yeast bread originated in France, also called French bread or French sticks, made from flour, water, yeast, and salt. Brioche bread, a French bread made with butter and eggs, sweet in taste, flavor, perfect bread for French toast. Ciabatta bread. It's an Italian invented bread made from water, salt, yeast, and wheat flour. Perfect for making paninis and sandwiches. Focaccia bread. Originated in Italy, it's a quite similar to pizza dough. Can be eaten by itself, dipped in soup, or used with sauces. Pita bread originated in the Middle East, perfect for stuffing with meat and other foods, made mostly using wheat flour. Sourdough bread usually consists of a fermented combination of water and flour. It can last a long time. Can be used to make any type of sandwiches for a mild and delicious bread option. Bagels, usually made by boiling the dough in the water for a short time, then taking it afterward. They have numerous types and flavors. English muffins, made from either white or whole wheat flour, can eat English muffins with poached eggs, bacons, or a hollandaise sauce. Grissini bread, originated from Italy, can be flavored with herbs and spice, used as a before dinner alternative to regular or garlic bread. Qistibi bread, found mostly in Russia, filled with mashed potatoes, millets, and even various types of meat. Tortilla, used in numerous Mexican dishes, incredibly versatile, can be used any number of dishes. So friends, I believe you have gone through the breads and its types. Those are my favorites, and those could be your favorites too. Try all the breads, you will definitely love it. and let me know if some breads which I haven't tried and you know, please put those breads name. Definitely I will try it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.